In this video, we will discuss how to create custom reports in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to the home page and scroll down until you can find reporting. When you click on it, click on reports right here in order to open the reports tab. Once you're in there, click on this create report, and after that, this will direct us to the next page. Make sure to choose this custom report option, and then after that, click on next. With this, just choose your primary data source. It can be contacts, CRM, marketing, and the likes. On my case, I'll just proceed to choose contacts and click on next. Once you have done that, just enter right here what you want added to your x-axis, y-axis, and the likes. I'll choose and just drag and drop things right here, as well as the top properties. And once you have added those, just choose right here the chart that you want. We have in your bar or vertical bar as well as other options. So with this, you can generate your own custom report. Once you're done, just head over and save it. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.